What's up, guys? Today I'm going to give you guys a little trade recap. As you can see, here's my trade for today. So nothing crazy. I ended up taking a break-even trade. So I was one tick away right here. As you can see, I was one tick away from my take profit getting hit. And I set my stop loss to break even after that. And I ended up getting stopped out right here. And I did this because there's been multiple times in the past where this has happened to me and I get stopped out, and I wasn't wanting to get stopped out today. It wasn't because of emotions or anything. I just wanted to do it because to manage my risk, and I'll keep doing it in the future. Even if this hits take profit, I'll keep doing it. But anyways, I'll show you guys what happened and I'll get right into it. So, coming into today, we had all of these hourly time frames. All of these hourly highs got slammed. So then I was like, okay, all these hourlies got slammed. So then, as you can see on the 5-minute, market opens. What happens after market opens? Market slams to the top. We get rid of this, starts respecting this one. Okay. So then what happens? 5-minute, we get a retrace at 8:55 to 9 o'clock. So we get that retrace. And then retrace happens right here. Bam. I simply enter off of that. Entered off of this. And entry right here. I put stops above all the way up here because I was not taking any chances for getting stopped out today because the market has been super choppy. I've been taking trades where I get stopped out, and it's like I wasn't wanting to do that today. But anyways, I targeted this hourly low right here, as you can see, this hourly low right here. And price didn't want to go there. Price wanted to be one tick away. So what happened today was I got in, I was in. Right here, as you can see, right here, there was a 15-minute fair value gap that was filled. So, in turn, what happened? It hit it, shot up. Immediately after that, I was like, okay, it's going to be one of those days where you either barely get hit for take profit one or you don't get hit at all, and this happens, and then you get stopped out. And I was like, immediately, with how price has been, I was like, fuck this. No way. So then, in turn, I got here, one tick away, stops to break even, manage my risk, bam. That was it. And I also had this bias, and I was also extremely confident in this trade working out. For the first part until it was one tick away, because over here on NASDAQ, I did not take this trade. This was just like a mimic trade. But on NASDAQ, what had happened, filled this fair value gap, flooded the face down. What did it also do? Hit this hourly. And I was like, okay, the S&P is going to have to go there as well. So I might as well just hold, and I was holding. And so I was really expecting for this trade to work, and I'm kind of surprised that it didn't. Maybe I just kind of took out, and then it's going to take profit later today. But, I mean, you never know. But overall, today was a good trade. If this hits take profit or if it hits stop loss, I am not going to care because honestly, I saw this as a good trade, and it was a good trade, and me moving my stop loss to break even, I think it was very good in managing my risk because there was no reason to not manage my risk for how shitty price action has been lately. And we're not in like a hot market right now to where it's price like has to go here, you know? We're in a market right now where everyone loses their money. So what I'm doing is managing my risk so that I don't lose my money, because that's just what you kind of got to do. So yeah, that was that today. There's nothing really else to say. It's currently Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. This isn't going to be long at all, but here's the trade. And also, I'll go over NASDAQ really quick. So NASDAQ, we had this trade right here. And the reason I didn't take this trade was because I wanted to put my stops all the way up here. And I was going to target right here. So immediately, it would have been 0.84 risk to reward. And I didn't want to put my stops right here because there was a fair value gap right here. And I wasn't willing to be like, okay, the fair value gap's right there. Like, I wasn't willing to have my stop loss in a fair value gap because, as you know, price wants to levitate towards there and gravitate towards there. And look what happened. It would gravitate towards there. And sure, it would have hit take profit, but for me, I would have put my stops all the way up there because managing your risk is the best thing to do. But yeah, that's what I got for today. Nothing really else. That's a trade. As you can see, it's probably gonna hit take profit, which whatever, it's just the way it goes. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Short little video.